Onye Igbake kenwo iyewo na abia ma bia o. Alewe ga monye o ya kosu ya konu Igbake ido. Igbake no be Benin, we are Igbo. 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 We no go gree, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we no go gree. We no go gree, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we are Igbo. We no go gree, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we are Igbo. We no go gree, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we are Igbo. We no go gree, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we are Igbo. We no go gree, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we are Igbo. We no go gree,
we no go gree.
Igbake no be Benin,
we are Igbo.
And they do politics, so they don't know about us as Benin. We not be Benin at all. We not be Benin. We not be Benin. We be called.
we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we are Igbo. We no go gree, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we are Igbo. We no go gree, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we are Igbo. We no go gree, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we are Igbo. We no go gree, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we are Igbo. We no go gree, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we are Igbo. We no go gree, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin, we are Igbo. We no go gree, we no go gree. Igbake no be Benin.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This is Igbos TV. We are live and direct in Igbanke. And can you quickly give us in summary what is actually happening live and direct from Igbanke?
Now, as you can see the crowd,
Yes.
the people of Igbanke have agreed to identify themselves as a Car Igbo people. And we want to join our kings, our brothers in Anioma, Agbo, Umunede, the Igbo speaking part of Delta State. Okay. So we are here to state the fact that we are not Benin people. That Igbanke is not Benin. We are Igbo, we are Car Igbo.
So for how long have you people, because we heard that Oba Benin issued a suspension to your kings in Igbanke. How well did you people accept it? Or did you actually reject it?
The point is that our kings in Igbanke are not appointed by the Oba.
Okay.
Our kingship in Igbanke is hereditary. It has been passed from our forefathers. So it's not none of our king in Igbanke is an appointee of the Oba of Benin. Okay. So the Oba has no right whatsoever to remove any or to appoint any king in Igbanke.
Okay, what is your message to the state governor of Edo State in regard to what is happening now?
Our message is that the governor should recognize and identify with us in our cause of freedom. We have been subjugated by the Benin. We have been maligned. But now we have come to the point where we can no more swallow the insult of subjugation. So we want to stand on our own as a Igbanke people because we have no relationship with the Benin. By language, no relationship. By culture, no relationship. But our language and culture are aligned with the Igbos. So we are more or less Igbo than Benin, and that is a fact. So the governor should recognize that fact.
Okay, now there is a call for the creation of a Neoma state, which Senator Ned Nwoko is he has already moved the motion and it has passed first and second reading, which we know by June there will be a public hearing. What are you people expecting, people of Igbanke? Because there is also a bill that is on the Senate floor seeking for boundary adjustment. Where did you want to fall in? If all these things go through, did the Igbanke people want to remain with Edo State, or did you guys want to fall back with your brothers? Now going to be recognized as an
by semantics or by linguistic. You said Edo, you said Anioma. As an Igbanke man, I don't know the meaning of Edo, but I understand the meaning of Anioma.
Okay.
Anioma is my language. Anioma means good land.
Okay.
But in Igbanke, we don't know the meaning of Edo.
Okay.
So it is a natural phenomenon. We know where we belong. We know where we belong.
All right.
By language, by culture, like I told you, even by every form of it, even our way of dressing.
Okay, we are
more or less Igbos.
We are using this medium to add our voice to what they calling the Senate President, calling the Deputy Senate President, the Speaker of National Assembly and Deputy Speaker. We are also using this medium to call on the representative from this area local government to actually look into the plight of Igbanke, because what is happening today is that they want a total freedom from this modern day slavery. And our call is that let who is in concern or in charge, or the people of affairs, to make sure that Igbanke are well represented. And today, the call for Anioma State creation, Igbanke people are saying they want to be part and parcel of that Anioma State creation. They want to go back to a place where they belong, a place where recognition can be given to them, a place where an equality, a balanced equation can as well be seen. So we are still calling on the person of Senator Ned Nwoko to actually speak more on the plight of Igbanke people. Do you have anything to say to him?
The point is that apart from what we are doing today, there have been underground work.
Okay.
Our people have been doing some underground work to align with our brothers in Anioma, so to say.
Okay.
So what we are seeing today is just a manifestation of what have been done underground.
Okay.
What have been done in the past.
Okay.
So we are saying that we want to join our brothers to eat on the same plate. We don't want to be subjugated.
Okay.
We don't want to be, because like politicians, politicians are not all that truthful. When they go for political meeting in Benin, the Benin people will be speaking Benin language, and people are alienated. But when they come, they will not tell you because of their selfish interest.
Okay.
Because their selfish political interest. But the facts are obvious. The facts are obvious. So with what the Oba of Benin have done, or what he has said, that he wants to turn our king to a nogi, that is a testament that the time has come for freedom.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
God bless you.
When I'm Jack, who are fine? Kile mebe ntang.
Ebia makana ichoko freedom LNP edo wa agwenyiche edo enyanu edo eyanu wana ewonyi Igbanke wondeka eka eyanu.
So you know we ku ana ni ikende edo abi ndi idu agwa no no.
Nyanu.
We happen no eka.
We happen.
O ko kare ni mannen. Daro. Alo adoba. Gaba ku e fine.
Francis Kubo.
Okay, Francis Kubo. That name is familiar. Ikubo family. Can we know one or two from that family? One or two prominent person from that Ikubo family?
We have the late Rima's father, Justice Ikubo.
You mean Rima the musician?
Yeah, the musician, yes.
Is Rima Benin man?
No. From Igbanke.
From Igbanke? Yes. Is Igbanke Benin?
At all, Igbanke is not.
So why are we here, sir? Tell us.
We are gathered here rejoicing because we need separation. We need freedom from this Benin. Especially like I said before, each time we go for rally, political rallies, you hear the Benin speaking Beninese. They don't care if Igbanke is there, if we Igbanke are there. You start with Benin and speaking Benin. So it's like we are marginalized. It's like we are dumped somewhere. So they don't care about us. So when this issue came, so I thank God for the initiative. And when this came, we are happy to see how we can go away from Benin and be free in joining our brothers as far as this Anioma State is on the ground.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.